This is questions for the cowboy in the plaid. What sex position makes the ugliest babies? I don't know. Ask your parents.
This one's for the cowboy. Would you rather ride the mechanical bull or the hideous stripper in the front row?
Just in the orange shirt there, I want to congratulate Odell Beckham on a good season this year.
And I'm pretty sure if you played football, you would be receiving it.
The big man in the red, you remind me of Humpty Dumpty. First you got hump, now you got dump.
So, Little Red Riding Hood, are you still going to be messing with Dad?
You said what?
Are you still going to be messing with Dad?
I'm gonna mess with your dad.
This guy in the light blue shirt, are you R. Kelly trapped in the closet?
Hey, you look like Poindexter, man.
I want to ask my man right there. Yeah, right there. Your face hurts?
Do your face? You need to get some proactive, all that acne on your face. X out. Right, sit down. Muscle shirt, sit down. Yeah, look at that haircut. Your line is crooked, boy. Your line is crooked. Crooked line. What you want to do? Yeah, what's up? What's up? You fake Incredible Hulk looking ass. Get up out of here, bro. Man, with that fake watch on your arm.
Does your face still hurt?
My face is fine. My face is fine.
My question's for the alligator hunter. I know it's probably hard dating down in Louisiana, so you're having problems with your cousin. Don't you have any maybe sisters or nieces you could check out?
I got your sister, though.
It ain't even like that.
To the man who went into Checkers, how does it feel going in for a burger but coming out with a hot dog?
I'm just the red. You were complaining about the can of Coke. You look like a whole 2-liter of Coke.
For the girl in the black, are you related to Mike Tyson in any way?
All right, you with the blue checkered. How could you not tell that was a guy? It pretty much looks like you with makeup and a wig on.
That ain't what your daddy said last night to her.
Yeah, my comments for the chick right there in the black next to the man chick. Yeah. You sure you ain't a man? Because, baby, your face look very manlish.
That was cute.
All right, to the kid who can't sing, what was on your face after you gave her a kiss?
I got you. Give me a minute. I got you, bitch.
My question is for the lady in the tutu. Your girlfriend brought you to Jerry and made you a foo-foo. And to my man in the red shirt, yo, your stomach, your stretch marks look like a road map of Mississippi, my brother.
This guy here looks like he come out the jungle. If he's not gay, I'm a woman.
This is the comment for the lady in the yellow dress. Listen to me. Your first mistake is that you didn't know the difference between a male and a man. Right? Listen, no matter what he did, you're still a beautiful black queen.
I'm white. I'm white.
Yeah. For a white girl. Yeah.